Hi, this is Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. Missouri Star Quilt Company recently sent me their brand new Rag Quilt Snips, and I want to share my testing with you. I made this little 4-patch rag quilt sample so I could test out the snips. I've got a layer of minky quilting cotton and some cotton batting in the middle, and I'm using the snips to make my approximately ½ inch snips along the seam edges to make this rag quilt. These snips are really lightweight. The blades go down to a point. They're kind of thin. They just snip right through the fabric with absolutely no problem. If you have any question about these snips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I will also leave a link to the snips on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website in the description. Thank you so much. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog. Thank you.